welcome back to ForTheWynn Gaming. Today we're going to be making the Bygglek from Lego and IKEA. I'll see you in a minute. Hello, welcome back to ForTheWynn Gaming. Today we're going to be making the Bygglek. If you want to see my last video when I unboxed the Bygglek, click in the link here. So, let's get started. Oh, I can't wait. So, let's open this. So it tells me here that I'm meant to slot it in. And there's a little finger that's pointed out here, so maybe we want to keep it on the outside. Let's get this bit. This is the slotty bit, and this is not the slotty bit. So look for the outside, and then get this outside, and let's slowly slot this in. There we go, we slot it in. So let's turn this around. Let's get that bit and that. So where did it say? So it says we're meant to get this bit in. Oh, turn it round. And just click in like that. And get this bit in. And let's just slot it in. So it's coming in there, it's coming in there, open, click, and then we've got this bit, it says right there, so to turn it over, and then we're meant to get this, and it shows that we're meant to get these into the thing. So, it's another. So let's get that bit in, show that they're all in, like that. Now let's click it in, hear that? Click, click, click. And now let's turn it round, you can see that. And, oopsie, oh man. Turn it round again. I think this might always happen in my Lego videos. It's just proper. I think that's good, right? So let's turn this round again. And now we've done that. Let's flip the page to the back. And then we're going to put this on. Then we put it on like that. So you can see all of this, and look, you can see these bits here, and we can see the bottom, which we had to do twice, which was really annoying. So you can see every bit, you see. If you saw what happened there, you should have known. The third time! Let's click it in. I think there's something wrong. I think we got this like the wrong way. Actually, no, wait. Let's double check this time. We do not want this falling off. Leave a like, subscribe, to make this not fall off again. If you don't leave a like and subscribe, this will be here for like an hour. So hopefully it doesn't happen again. So let's turn it round. Let's put this on. You can see. You can see all of this. You can see the room on here. Oh, this is going to be so cool. Maybe we should do like some videos with some more Lego. Leave a link in the description if you want me to do any more Lego videos. It will be so cool. And I hope you enjoyed this fantastic video. If you don't think this is fantastic, do you want to buy this? It's cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.